Today, next video. First item is dark wine purple mixer shade. This is top complete work. Complete back side front portion full light thread full thread work. Holes full light thread work. Back side plain bottom satin silk. Rate normal use item. Number within the A619 rate 740. Blue shade peacock blue and a darker shade. This is a blue color. Peacock, green mixer blue. Shade. Double tone brighter feel. Color blue shades variation blue shades. This is look daily use material. Number A618 rate shade. Maroon shade dark maroon shade. Top full light front portion work work heavy design back side plain length length number A616 rate 740. Last color is different green shade. This is a double tone. Yellow color is shade. Thread is green day. Light mehendi type green shade. But yellow mixed tone. Variety green color. This is bottom same color. Number A617 rate 740.